Alright, YouTube, I figured I would show this running on most of my rugs. Well, I don't really need a light on. Anyway, yeah, I figured I'd show it on rugs that I haven't cleaned yet. I just gave this one a good carpet cleaning last night. Yeah, it needed it badly. It was pretty bad smelling, so I ended up giving it a carpet cleaning. I know I probably shouldn't have that table back on it, but hey, I'll get it. I'll do something if it doesn't let it dry there. Sorry, I'm a bit loopy today. Worst hangover this morning, by the way. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna show my 704 cleaning my house weekly vacuum video. I am gonna get to a video of that Bissell, the wide track, but I got a request wanting to show it with the headlights, so I'm gonna do that and answer both requests at the same time. So here we go. Yeah, I do need to oil the handle a bit. So anyway, here we go. I just love how these things purr. And if you've watched General One's video of the 704, I hope y'all suggested some things, because these are fixable, even if they sound like that. When I volunteered for the back shop here in town, we had to repair some of these older motors that sounded like a ratchet, and they came out pretty clean. We didn't have any with the wrong bag. Well, not any of these. He did have one that had a cord rail, but I didn't have any money to pay him at the time. I was too busy paying for my website bills. Yeah, my website is not cheap to keep up, but I'm still saying it's free to sign up and free to post. That goes for all. I'm not going to send an invoice. And I'm definitely not going to... I'm going to do a dark video here. I'm definitely not going to start charging people to do with my website or anything like that. Nope, I'm going to keep it free for all. Here's the 704 in the dark. Yeah, listen to that purr. Hang on a moment. Let me go ahead and do my dark room. Yeah, once again, I'm sorry for the mess in here. I really do want to get that cleaned up. But once again, I gotta wait until my brother's out so that the garage doesn't look like this. Once again, I don't sleep in there hardly because of that. Because even if it is just vacuum cleaners, it's a lot of stuff for bugs to hide. I do bomb in there once a week or so because, well, roaches. I don't like roaches. They're nasty and they're ugly. They can carry a lot of shit on them. Sorry for my profanity, but shit's used every day. Here we go. Yeah, these old Hoover convertibles, they purr. And that's the sound I like, and that's why I've been wanting one of these so badly. It was like that orange hooded contract convertible or contract commercial senior I had. I really do wish I had some pictures of that when I had it, but I didn't have a phone. All I had was a DSi at the time, and it's hard to make videos with a DSi. And not only that, but you can't get online with them hardly anymore. I tried to search for stuff on eBay with the DSi and order it, but it wouldn't go through. It just kept giving me an error message. But now that I have an iPhone or just any computer in general, I can show pictures of things and do videos of them like this. Headlight shot from the mirror. Headlight shot for FG bags and Russ Rittering on Facebook. Yeah, I just love the way these things wind up and purr. Because it's not like a 12 amp Bissell or anything like that where it's pretty much an instant startup. No, these things, when they run, they purr. They don't scream. They don't hiss. They don't give you the ear-piercing, high-pitched sound. No, they purr like a kitten, pretty much. But anyway, there's the Hoover convertible model 704. I probably shouldn't have it sitting on this rug because it is still kind of damp. I'm gonna move it off here so that it doesn't corrode. Because these don't rust, they corrode. Because the base is aluminum, bottom plate's aluminum, so it'll corrode. And even the switch casing back here, well, we can sort of see a little corrosion on it. These are made of good materials, so it shouldn't be that easy. But if you leave it sitting on something for a while that's wet or is sitting out in the wet, it will corrode and you got problems. That's what I thought was wrong with the one that General One has, or had. He said it was in pieces in a different video, but I think that may be what happened, because he gave some ideas. Maybe it was sitting out in a garage somewhere, an old barn. And that is my idea, because an old barn, they would have moisture getting in there and stuff like that. So that's probably what happened. But anyway, this one I got from someone who was apparently known for being a scammer. But if he was, he must have changed, because it's been sent and it's here. So I got it. And also, it could have been something to do with me making a big deal about it, but I don't know. I'm not complaining. So anyway, yeah, there's the 704 weekly vacuuming. I am going to get to the request of the Bissell as soon as I can get a light, because I'm pretty sure I got some lights somewhere, but if I don't, I'll just go up and get a couple packs of lights and put one in it, and then I'll answer your request as soon as I can. So tell me how you like the 704. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it. I'm sorry if I'm not getting the request sooner. It's just usual business, like, housework and stuff like that, and volunteer work so that I have something to do. Also, the sago palms out there, I gotta trim those. So, got a whole day ahead of me. So anyway, until next time, you can check out my website. Link is in the About section of the channel. So until next time, bye.